In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transitions between clips in CapCut Desktop. To get started, open the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once the program launches, you can either create a new project if you're starting fresh, or open an existing project if your clips are already prepared. Either option works, as long as you're inside the main editing workspace. Next, Next, add 2 or more video clips to the timeline. Transitions are designed to connect one clip to another, so you'll need at least 2 clips placed in sequence. After adding them, make sure the clips are positioned directly next to each other with no gaps in between. This is important because transitions are applied at the cut point where one clip ends and the next one begins. If there's extra space between the clips, the transition may not work the way you expect. Once your clips are lined up properly, go to the top toolbar and click on Transitions. This will open the transition library where you can browse through the available categories. Take a moment to look through the options and choose a transition that fits the style of your video. Some transitions feel smooth and subtle, while others are more energetic or dramatic, so it's worth selecting one that matches the pacing and tone of your edit. When you find a transition you want to use, select it. If it hasn't been installed yet, click the download icon and wait for the download to finish. This usually only takes a moment, but it's important to let it complete before trying to apply the effect. After that, click the plus button or simply drag the transition onto the cut between the 2 clips. Then wait for the transition to appear on the timeline. Once it's visible there, click on the transition itself to select it. This allows you to adjust the duration if needed. A shorter duration usually creates a quicker, sharper effect, while a longer duration can feel smoother and more noticeable. Now click the play button to preview the transition. Watch the point where the 2 clips connect and review how the effect looks in motion. This step is helpful because a transition can feel different when it's actually playing compared to how it looks on the timeline. If everything looks smooth and the transition appears correctly between the clips, then you've successfully applied it. And that's how to add transitions between clips in CapCut Desktop.